A tropical concrete house is more than a shelter. It becomes a living part of your daily life, blending comfort and beauty with the rhythm of nature. Its walls, sturdy and grounded, offer safety, yet its design breathes openness, inviting the outside world in. Mornings begin with sunlight streaming through wide windows, painting golden patterns on the cool concrete floors. The gentle breeze drifts through open spaces, carrying with it the soothing sounds of rustling leaves and distant birdsong. Each breath feels fresher, each moment more alive. This thoughtful design offers shaded corners for rest, where overhanging eaves create cozy havens against the sun's warmth. Native plants surround the home, their lush greens and delicate blooms, a living artwork that changes with the seasons. Every day feels like a harmonious dance with nature, a reminder of beauty, simplicity, and peace woven into your life.